So let's say you created this awesome Instagram template for your clients and you uploaded it and recreated it for them in Canva. So now, how do you deliver this template to them in a way that's kind of not going to mess things up in your free account with Canva and keep things really organized? Well, keep watching to find out what I do. So first of all, you're going to want to create an image like this. I made it in Photoshop, I believe, but you can create something like this in Canva. And it says stop, make a copy before editing. Click File, make a copy. So you can make, this is a screenshot that I just pasted on top of a navy blue rectangle, added this text, and that's about it. So I'll tell you why you want to have this graphic. So in Canva, when you want to share a graphic with someone and you share it with them to edit, what's going to happen is they're going to be editing the actual template that you created. So that means that both of you will have lost the original copy. And if they make any mistakes or delete something on accident, then that's it. The original is gone. So we want to encourage them that when we share this template with them, that they make a copy of it. That way you both still have access to the original in case they ever need the original. So it's a really good practice. So when you're in your template that you created for them, come here to the left to uploads and then upload the picture of the graphic that you created and then click it and it'll add it to your design. So right click and click bring to front, click it again, bring to front, and then now it's on the top. I try to make this graphic a little bit large, kind of obnoxious, so that when they log in and they access this template, they can't miss it. So it says again, it tells them to stop, make a copy before they edit. All they have to do is click File and make a copy. Again, right here, File, make a copy, and it's just gonna duplicate it right away, and that's it. It's just a two-step process. So now you'll go here to share, and then I already did, but it'll say copy and share a link to edit. That's what you want it to say, and then you'll click copy. That should be said right there. So I like to go into Google Docs and I create a Canva template. So this is what it is and this is what it'll look like. So what I'll do is I'll delete this image here and I will click insert image, upload from computer, and I will share, I will upload their logo, their brand logo. So I will click this here and make it smaller. It doesn't need to be that big. Kind of put it in the middle, and there we go. It all of a sudden became a branded document. So it says follow the link here to edit this template in Canva. This is just a link to canva.com. It says please make a copy before editing. In Canva, go to, again, file, make a copy, and then edit your copy. That way you'll always have the original file below in case anything goes wrong. Thank you. So it'll make things so much easier. And so the link that we copied from Canva, you'll just paste it here. And if you have several templates, then just go ahead and add the links to the several templates. So we only have one. So I'll delete this, add the social media platform name here. So I'll do Instagram template, and then I'll do number 1. So then that way they know. Right here, I will paste the link, click enter. That makes it a live link, and there you go. That's it. So when they open it, so click the link, click copy. I will file, open a new incognito window because I'm already logged in. Paste and go. This is what it'll look like. It'll say you're invited to edit a design created by Bella Marcus Studio. Start designing now. So they'll just click edit design. Then again, they'll see this, so they'll click file, make a copy, then they can delete that image and it's all theirs and they're ready to go. So hopefully that is an easy way for you to see how to make a template, a nice document with the links to all the templates so that your client can easily edit them.